screening for viruses and other diseases. A routine process here at the Ngamba Island Chimpanzee Sanctuary in Kampala. However, while these animals are safe, research shows that chimpanzees in the wild are susceptible to respiratory infections from humans. The study reveals clinical signs of these viruses in the great apes that resemble those in children nursing severe common colds.
The chimps are very similar to us humans. We share 98.7% similar DNA, and we also know that they are exceptionally vulnerable to the same kind of diseases, especially viral diseases and diseases like coronaviruses.
Research findings show common cold viruses are the most contagious. Disease transmission is through droplets when an infected individual coughs or sneezes near animal habitats. Animal campaigners argue the growing human-wildlife interaction is the biggest challenge.
We've had many Ebola outbreaks here, and we know Ebola virus pathogens are housed or are hosted by bats and hosted by other primates. We've had Marburg, the same story. You've had the avian influenza, the same story. So these animals, they harbor diseases, they harbor pathogens which are so new to science that sometimes a new virus or a new bacteria or a new something will simply escape from my wild animals and get into the humans, and it will spread like a wildfire.
The study was carried out between 2019 and 2021 in communities bordering Kibale National Park in western Uganda. The population growth is putting more pressure on Uganda's forest cover, destroying trees to expand agriculture and infrastructure development. This is forcing animals like chimpanzees to seek new habitats near human settlements, increasing the risk of disease infection. Most chimpanzees rescued and protected in sanctuaries like this one are benefiting from vaccines against some diseases. However, this cannot be done in the wild.
For the wild chimpanzees, we don't intervene. Even if there is an outbreak, in some time back we had an outbreak of polio in the wild, we do not vaccinate them because we believe that the disease can be managed by environmental factors in the wild itself, so it will be controlled within the population itself.
Through its greening campaign, the government is pushing for public and private initiatives to replenish the country's rapidly vanishing forest cover. It is hoped the move will protect and conserve the environment and keep animal habitats intact. Michael Baleke, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.